Welcome back to the channel, everyone. What's in store this time? Well, we're going camping overnight in a tent on a massive lake on a beach. But it's going to be cold out. It's a little windy, it sounds like. But we're going to start a big fire, cook a meal over the fire, and let the puppies run around.
And Evan's gonna jump in the lake.
Ooh. I don't know about that one. I will if Cal does. So.
What?
But all right, stay tuned. This is gonna be a fun video.
I think we've reached our campsite. Right here. Looks pretty good. Now time to set up.
All right, well, we're collecting some firewood here to get a fire started. Cal's picking up small
No, I'm
sticks
using
and-
the axe.
Let's not take our toes off. And I'm using my saw and we're cutting up some wood for the fire tonight. Bust through this here, finally. Whew, there we go. Just like 20 more to go. All right, we got a bunch of wood over here. We're gonna try getting a fire going. Cook Cal her dinner because she's getting kind of hangry. Got a little flame of hope. The only hope we have out here. Just kidding. All right, Cal's got her massive stick over here. Don't drop it on it yet. There you go. Nice job.
Well, we got the fire started. So now we're setting up the tent.
A cozy two-person tent for the two of us and two dogs. Well, we're starting to make dinner. What are we making tonight, Cal?
We're making cast iron pizzas.
Yep, so we bought some pizza dough.
Just some Pillsbury.
It's going in a big cast iron pan,
And we gotta cook the dough before we add the toppings.
which I have never heard of doing that before.
Well, it's
What?
because the toppings are basically already cooked. So you just gotta melt them.
All right. Heard from Chef Cal herself.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Let's go cook the dough.
Guess we're gonna cook it. But I did just realize we forgot to bring something to grab the cast iron with.
Good thing I got
No, she's
Evan's hoodie
No,
sleeves.
she's not using my hoodie sleeve. But I guess we'll figure out something here somehow.
Gloves.
We'll keep you posted. That's right, I do have gloves. We can use the gloves
I'm so smart.
sometimes. We'll see how this cooks down here.
Looks pretty raw still.
It's only been 2 seconds. Well, first bites of the pizza are mediocre at best. I can say the bottom is black and crispy, as you can see on my lip. And the top is
Cold.
nice and cold. Yeah. So Cal did a great job.
Thank you.
Give her a 1 out of 10 on her first fire pizza. But that leaves a lot of room for improvement. So, better luck next time, I think.
Thanks.
Let's see. She'll probably say she's too hot now.
The fire's burning.
Yeah, she's got
Issues.
she's got the temperature core of a mouse. I think we said that earlier. Yeah, in episode 1.
Bladder of a mouse.
Well, but yeah, Teddy likes the pizza though. And Cal just tried out something new for the first time. What'd you try, Cal?
Evan for Christmas got me this like funnel that you pee into so you don't have to squat. And it was fantastic. I'm never squatting again. 10 out of 10 experience. I felt like a man.
That's cute.
I could aim.
Well, we're just enjoying the fire and seeing how much pizza of this pizza we're gonna eat. So, Cal has applesauce just in case.
Yep, I'm gonna eat a lot of applesauce tonight.
I know you never speak up when you hurting inside. We're broken, I got hope, let me try one more time. There's something about the way that you close your eyes. I hate it, but I fall in love every night. I know you never speak up when you hurting inside. We're broken, I got hope, let me try one more time. There's something about the way that you close your eyes. I hate it, but I fall in love every night. I know you never speak up when you hurting inside. We're broken, I got hope, let me try one more time. There's something about the way that you close your eyes. I hate it, but I fall in love every night. I know you never speak up when you hurting.
Well, good morning, everyone. We made it through the night. It was a cold one. I was very cold. I didn't sleep the best then. Cal's still sleeping. I gave her my nice warm sleeping bag, so I think she slept better. Which is good. She'll be less cranky then. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. The wind died down, the lake's almost calm, very calm. But yeah, the puppies are out running around, and we're gonna get all packed up and loaded back up and back to the apartment. Just got the pocket rocket set up with some water, and we're gonna boil some water for some hot chocolate. That sounds really... Hey Kyle, how's your breakfast? How's your breakfast?